Hello, dear students. Let us discuss the bi-monthly exam for the class 10th for the subject of English, held on 6th of July 2021, based on the syllabus of April and May 2021. So let us discuss. The first thing is read the passage carefully and answer the questions from number 1 to 5. So let us read the passage. Ancient India is supposed to be the most advanced civilization ever. In many ways, the modern world owes much to ancient India. One day, while reading a magazine, I came across many reasons for which the world honors India. India made remarkable contributions in the field of mathematics. India invented the numerical system. Aryabhatta invented zero. The decimal system was developed in India in 100 BC. A world famous university was established at Takshila, now in Pakistan, in 700 BC. More than 10,500 students from all over the world studied there, more than 60 subjects. In the field of languages, also India excelled. The ancient Sanskrit language is considered as the mother of many other languages. According to the Forbes magazine, Sanskrit is the most suitable language for computer software. As far as medical science is concerned, Ayurveda is the earliest known school of medicine to humans. Charaka, the father of medicine, consolidated Ayurveda 2500 years ago. Sushruta is remembered as the father of surgery. Another reason to feel proud to be an Indian is that the art of navigation was born in the river Sindhu 6000 years ago, and the word navigation is derived from the Sanskrit word navigate. All these facts really make Indians proud of their nation and cultural heritage. So let us find out the answers of the given questions. The first question is, India is honored by the world due to many reasons. The author came to know the reasons by: first option is going around the world, second, visiting India, third, analyzing the ancient civilization, fourth, reading a magazine. So here we read while reading a magazine. Then answer is reading a magazine. Second question is, Aryabhatta's contribution was basically related to: option is languages, mathematics, Ayurveda or sports. So let's find out the answer here. Aryabhatta invented zero, so it is related to mathematics. Okay, the answer is mathematics. Third question is, the well-known person in the field of surgery is Sushruta, Charak, Forbes or Aryabhatta. So let us find the surgery here. Sushruta is remembered as the father of surgery. The answer is Sushruta. Fourth, according to the text, which of the following was not developed during ancient India? Let's read the options: decimal system, numerical system, computer software in Sanskrit, or art of navigation. So we have read all these things, but computer software in Sanskrit is not there. So in the question they asked not. The answer is third option, computer software in Sanskrit. Fifth question is, where was the art of navigation born? India, China, Japan, or England? So we have already read that is India. India. Yeah, first option India. Now, textual objective type questions. Question number 6 is, who ordered to pull down the statue of Happy Prince? Answer, the mayor, the swallow, the seamstress, the playwright. The answer is the mayor. Seventh question, machines give us more and more hours of dash. Hard work, leisure, life, or health? The answer is leisure. Eighth question, Naeem urged the author to restart. Options, dancing, singing, studying, or painting. The answer is painting. Ninth question, who did the author meet in the hospital ward? Options are Naeem, Bobby Gillian, Della, or Subaiya. The answer is Naeem. 10th question, name the poet of the poem Character of a Happy Man. Options are Sir Henry Wotton, William Wordsworth, Sir Henry Newbolt, or James Kirkup. The answer is Sir Henry Wotton. 11th question, what is a happy man not afraid of? Options are goodness, pride, enemies, or death. The answer is death. 12th question, choose the correct word to complete the given sentence. Dash off your old shoes. Cast, then cast, seize, or cost. The answer is second one, C-A-S-T, cast, cast off. 13th question, choose the correct idiom to complete the given sentence. He lectured on the subject for hours, at large, at a stretch, all in all, at low ebb. The answer is at a stretch. 14th question, India is dash great country. Choose the suitable determiner. The, a, an, that. The answer is India is a great country. 15th, Mr. Blacksmith is known dash me. Choose the suitable preposition. Known ਦੇ ਨਾਲ to option ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ, to preposition. Options ਨੇ of, on, to or at. The answer is to, known to me. 16th question, he is poor dash honest. Choose suitable conjunction. So, but, because, or. The answer is but. He is poor but honest. 7th question is, choose Punjabi translation of the given sentences. It is very cold here. ਉੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਠੰਡ ਸੀ, ਉੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਠੰਡ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ, ਇੱਥੇ ਠੰਡ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਠੰਡ ਹੈ. The answer is ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਠੰਡ ਹੈ. It is very cold here. ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਠੰਡ ਹੈ. 18th question, this is the age of machine. Options are ਉਹ ਮਸ਼ੀਨੀ ਯੁੱਗ ਸੀ, ਇਹ ਦੌਰ ਮਸ਼ੀਨ ਦਾ ਸੀ, ਇਹ ਮਸ਼ੀਨੀ ਯੁੱਗ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਮਸ਼ੀਨਾਂ ਹੀ ਸਨ. The answer is third option, ਇਹ ਮਸ਼ੀਨੀ ਯੁੱਗ ਹੈ. 19th question, choose the English translation of the given sentences. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਾਤਾ ਪਿਤਾ ਦਾ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਮੰਨਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ. Options are we obey our parents, we should obey our parents, we obeyed our parents, we have to obey our parents. The answer is we should obey our parents. 20th question is, ਅਸੀਂ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਖੇਡਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Options are we are playing cricket, we were playing cricket, we played cricket, we play cricket. The answer is We play cricket. So, this is the solution of your question paper. Thank you. Have a nice day.